I'm tired. I can't do this anymore. It's my freaking friend's ex. That's my friend over there. I've never experienced a worse night there. Art Basel literally kicked my ass. Hey guys, so it's Art Basel week. I'm so excited. I just pulled up to Miami Beach. We're gonna look at the elephants. I've been up since 5 a.m. I'm running on 3 hours of sleep, but it's okay. This is a part of the madness and I'm here for it. I literally go crazy for Art Basel every year. Today we're just gonna see a lot of the exhibits that are open to the public and just exploring, you know, eat some yummy food. I also wanted to say there is no EDC vlog. I decided last minute we're not gonna do it. I didn't have like enough behind the scene clips. It was just mostly videos I took of the sets. I just didn't have like entertaining clips of the like me and my friends just like being stupid. So because it was like a lot going on. I promise next year I'll do better, but don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Trying to upload every week as much as I can. We're gonna go to the beach right now. It's a really pretty day. It's not as cold out anymore, which I'm happy. I have a hoodie set just so it's like comfy cozy vibes by the beach. She's just a chill girl, you know. All right, let's go. We're gonna go over here and then the elephants are over there. So I feel like I'm walking in the desert. What the hell is that smell? It's a beautiful day in Miami Beach. Whoa. We're like in the sand dunes. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. I need a waffle because I'm freaking hungry, bro. This walk is no joke, bro. So we're here. This is the artist. So it is Nicolas Galanin. Bro, that's hard as shit. I don't even know. So that's him. Thank you, baby. But bro, I don't even know. Let me read the top one. What are you going to give up to burn the sails of empire? What are we going to build for our collective liberation? What I'm getting from this is sometimes like we want to like set sail from I can't, bro. I know all y'all, all my friends are gonna make fun of me so bad right now. Y'all clown me so bad, it's so annoying. So we try to struggling over there. You know, we're always on a voyage in this life and we're always trying to set sail from destination to destination, and sometimes we could crash ship, end up on a beach, or we can dock somewhere that we've never discovered, or make it through a voyage that was very treacherous and then arduous, but in the end we prevail. So what are we gonna do to make that happen? Like, what does it take? You know, are we willing to like burn the sails? Are we willing to fight essentially and to have our liberation? I really like art, you guys. Like, I'm being so for real right now. My dad used to take me a lot to art exhibits. He's an art broker, so I appreciate art, and my mom's a creative, I'm a creative, so that's why I like coming to Art Basel every year. Like, I'm gonna get some pictures of this, but too many señoras aquí chismoseando con sus cafecitos. Oh, you can't see it, but it looks good. Look at all these chickens. Look at all those chickens. Look at the birds. The birds. What birds? You can't even see it because it's like so far away. Anyway, whatever. What is this about? Let's see. Okay, so we have an elephant right here. So man taking a picture. His name is Jaya. All of them have different names. Everybody's taking pictures and I'm like in the way of everything. But this one has a baby and I think it's so beautiful.
She's a part of the
damn, my bun be bunning. Hold on. Damn, it's bright as shit, bro.
I thought you were saying damn about so much.
No, we're over it. There's so many people. I'm hungry. It's hot. I need to take off my hoodie. I'm covering myself because sun is crazy. That there's these things here, these sandcastles with holes in them, and I don't care because I have trypophobia and I'm scared. I don't like that. Called the Miami Reef Star. Okay, I need to eat. I can't. I'm done.
It's too hot.
Bro, when I have cramp, I'm just ready to eat a freaking waffle, bro. Oh my god, no, for real, like me hungry is not good. All right, bye. So we got breakfast. This is mine. I don't know what I got. I think I got, oh, a caprese panini with breakfast potatoes and then fauna water and then Red Bull. We love that. I'm both girls. I had to stop at CVS because I was dying. I needed Red Bull because I was tired. I needed chocolate because I was just hungry and I felt like my sugar was like, and then I needed Advil because I have cramps. So I'm dying. I have my hair's in a bun. That's my friend over there. But yeah, I'm not gonna show me right now. Okay, bye. Okay guys, so little update. Traffic was crazy, so was parking, and it took us 45 minutes to find parking, but all worth it because this exhibit, she's so cute. So they have like a timeline of the Cartier collection from 1924 all the way to 2024, which is so amazing. So we just finished the Cartier exhibit. It was so beautiful. I really liked it. I'm so glad I came. I honestly was so excited for this exhibit. We got so much content. I just can't wait to post all the pictures I took, all the TikToks, all the reels. I'm in an art gallery right now. Just passed by. This is so beautiful. Two people rooted in love and everything that they grow together. So it's so beautiful. And then I like this. I always like stuff like this. I think it's really cool. But yeah. On our way to Palm Angels, I'm gonna meet up with a friend that I know that works there, Jerry. Jerry is my girl. So I'm gonna buy something from there. I'm getting this shirt. It is so cute. I love how it makes me look. The girls are sitting really nice. I feel very thin, very feminine. And then these sweats are so cute. They're very baggy. I was kind of worried about it, but honestly, it's a slay. I love it. Super comfy. I love the back. And I'm also getting a hoodie. Can't wait to style these pieces and wear it like all the freaking time. So, sponsored by LMC. Yay, thank you. I'm at dinner. This is the fit. This dress is from Zara. I'm at Catch Miami. I've been to the other locations in New York and Vegas and LA. So I'm super excited to try the Miami one. Catch me at Catch. So I ordered crispy rice cakes and they're so good. I had them in New York in the Chelsea location because I know they have a few locations in New York. And then I have the lobster mac and cheese. And then I also got the Hellfire roll. Yes, I do, bitch, right now. Hello. Hi, so it's Art Basel Day 2. I'm here at my friend's house. We are gonna meet our friends at Factory Town. We're gonna see fashion. I cannot wait. This is my second time seeing him. First time I saw him was at Space. Literally did my makeup and hair so fast, but my outfit was taking me like forever. I overthink it too much. Took a nap at like 9. I woke up at 10. That is the key with raving. You have to not go to sleep and get your energied up.
Shoot better, we have to play better, get your energied up.
But yeah, I don't like drinking when I'm at raves. I literally just run straight on Red Bull. I'm gonna call my friend and see what's going on because we gotta go. Hey guys, so I literally rotted in bed all day. Okay, so Factory Town was literally a 4 out of 10. I've never experienced a worse night there. Fisher redeemed, he cooked, but everybody else was on some like weird vibes. Like the sounds, it's not even music, the sounds that I experienced was just lethal. I didn't really vlog too much of that. I'll like include some clips, but like it was so L. I don't know if I'm gonna go to Elrow. Nobody wants to go with me. But well, first right now we're in Brickell. We're gonna we just saw our bartender clocking to work. I was like beep beep, like what's up? Then we're just gonna look at the art in Wynwood because it's the art district, and then go out just a little bit. But I'm gonna have an early night. I'm here with Vale and also Katie. We're just gonna like get ready a little bit, just do some final touches. Let me show you my earrings, they're so cute.
I really like them.
Right, you like them?
Yeah,
they're so pretty. I've been like, you've been putting me on.
Yeah, big earrings.
Yeah, big earrings.
Nice.
Valentina does big earrings
Really
too.
good with the long hair.
Thank you. And I feel like it pops through like my hair, you know?
Yeah.
So thank you. I really like it. And then I'm wearing this like Fashion Nova purple dress. I'm trying not to wear black so much. So yeah, and then I just do my basic makeup. We're gonna see where our friends are at and like what's going on, but we just got here. We were having car trouble. We were supposed to take Valentina's car, but her car is like, I don't even know what's going on.
So sad.
He wants to come party. Whose dog is that?
Yo, what's going on? Yo, what's going on?
Famous now, it is what it is, you know. Catch me inside. Please sign my titties. Oh, we're blowing that. Yo, normalize men using hairspray because Nicole, she's kind of mad at me using her hairspray.
What have you done? Oh, yes. I left it in your house and it ended up in your bathroom.
Look at this, look. It doesn't move.
Sitting there doing this like a fucking idiot.
We're at Factory Town for Art Basel closing. It's been kind of chaotic. I just finished getting ready in the car, added my accessories, finished my hair, changed my shirt because I wasn't feeling my other shirt. So funny enough, this is so crazy. I just parked here and I'm paying my parking, and then I asked the lady, is it far from here? Like, is it a far walk? The guy that was parked next to me, he goes, oh no, it's like a block away. I look at him, it's my freaking friend's ex. I was like, no freaking way is it this man. I looked at the lady and I was like, I'm sorry, that's my friend's ex. What are the odds that this man's parked like right here? Like, damn, that's crazy. She's not here, she's at Cyclops this weekend, but bro, yo estaba como, no lo puedo creer, para nada. Like, damn. Anyway, I'm waiting for my friend Jerry. I'm gonna drink my Red Bull. I want to see Layla, Benitez, Teeny, and Hugo. Everybody pronounces it different, okay? I say Hugo, other people say Hugo and other shit, but I say Hugo. So Yeah, that man rips. He fucking ripped shit at Hyde yesterday. I wish I was there. I wish I was at Circle Local yesterday. Bro, Art Basel was kind of like weird. Like everybody was just like going through it. I heard like the nylon party was like ass. Like, I don't know, but I'm exhausted. I'm tired. I can't do this anymore. I'm literally gonna retire. Like after this, like Art Basel literally kicked my ass. Shit at the elrow stage. Right now we're taking a little break. We're gonna explore, but I'm so glad I came because Friday just was not giving at all. And like now literally every stage here, everybody's like ripping shit and like closing. Like I don't know, I can't think. I need a Red Bull again. Okay, we're like in this art exhibition thing that they have here, and it's so dope. We're taking like a little break before Hugo. At 12:30 we have like 30 minutes, but the line was like short. It was long as fuck before, but I'm gonna show you. Can you like touch it? You're so cute.
Can't focus on me.